Hi again, guys. Next tool is keyword position checker. So this tool is depends for your website, or depends for your website ranking. So we try for example for yahoo.com. So we try for them, we use it from some keywords, we update it from position check up to the use whatever you can say, position up to 500 whatever. So we type in security code in URC. So the position checker is take a while from to explain them, because is this one, sorry, this take a while, it doesn't give it to you the one to go, so you have to wait for until it's gonna be clear. So if it's gonna be clear, it's give it to you top 50, top 100, top 500, whatever you can. We just check it for the sample. So try your website, it's gonna be good news or not. Remember, it's most than 3 months it doesn't work. So some of them it doesn't work. Yahoo is one position, the second position is come up. Thanks for the watching, see you the next one, bye bye.